and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng noodles with black bean sauce, also known as Jjajangmyeon para sa mga K-drama fanatics. And here are the following ingredients. Ating first step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng 2 tablespoon ng oil at i-render natin or papabrownin natin itong ating pork belly. Continue lang natin ang pagluto hanggang maging golden brown. Ready na yung ating pork. Ilalagay ko na yung 4 cloves ng ating chopped garlic at yung half a tablespoon ng chopped ginger. Ilalagay ko na rin yung chopped na 2 stalks ng spring onion. At hahaluin lang natin to at igigasan natin for about 2 minutes. Keep nyo lang yung heat sa low. And after 2 minutes, ilalagay na natin yung 1/3 cup ng black bean paste. Mabibili ito sa grocery or sa any Asian store. And continue lang natin ang pag-isa. Haluin lang natin for about 1 minute. Pwede na natin ilagay yung 1 big size ng onion, chopped na malalaki, at yung ating 1 to 2 cups ng cabbage. Depende sa inyo kung gaano karami gusto nyo ilagay. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng optional ingredients ng sliced zucchini or sliced potato. Isa lang natin to for about a minute. Pwede ko na ilagay yung 1/4 cup ng rice wine vinegar. Optional lang ito. And then i-add ko na rin yung 1.5 tablespoon ng sugar at haluin lang natin ito. Pwede na rin natin ilagay yung 1.5 cups ng chicken stock. Kung wala kayong chicken stock, pwede kayong gumamit ng water. Maglagay na lang kayo ng 1 piece ng chicken cubes. Haluin lang natin to. At we will simmer this for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Dahil maalat na yung black bean paste, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng salt. After 2 to 3 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay yung cornstarch slurry. Yung 1.5 tablespoon ng cornstarch, dinissolve ko lang sa 3 tablespoon of water. Pero alalayan nyo na lang kung gaano kalapot yung ilalagay nyo. Our sauce is ready. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off. For serving, itong ating cooked noodles, nilagay lang natin sa bowl at ilalagay natin yung sauce sa ibabaw. Itong ating sauce, pwede din itong ipang-ulam with rice. And then we can garnish it with sliced cucumber. And there you have it, our noodles with black bean sauce, also known as Jjajangmyeon. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.